Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra if you're new, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean Detox Face Mask. Alright y'all, so this is my first time trying this face mask, and I just kept seeing it all over like Instagram, and I kept seeing Rihanna's face, and I was like, I just really want to try this out. So I actually tried to find this product in stores that are near my house, and it was literally sold out everywhere. So I ended up having to go to the actual Fenty website and order it straight from there. And I just did overnight shipping because I wanted to get this video out for you guys, and it got here today. So I'm gonna just open it to see. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. I love how all of her packaging is this really pretty lavender color. And it has the FS on there for Fenty Skin. I just love it. And it says Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean Detox Face Mask. All right, so let's open it and see what it looks like. It's so funny. It literally looks like cookies and cream ice cream, but it does not have a smell, but it looks like it would smell like cookies and cream. And you can see the little charcoal beads in there. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just read the directions that are on this box. So it says, apply an even layer to clean wet or dry skin. Massage until charcoal beads break and mask turns from white to gray. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Blah, blah, blah. All right. So I think I'm gonna try it on damp skin. This is kind of how I do all of my other skincare products. So we're gonna do damp skin. All right, so my skin is damp, and so I'm going to just apply the face mask. Ooh, y'all, this feels so good. It's like, do you hear that? It has like a really nice bounce to it. Ooh, I love. Okay. I'm just gonna apply it. So you can definitely feel the charcoal beads. I think I'm gonna apply it first and then massage it. I don't really know, but that's what I think. I don't really do face masks, so I'm figuring this out as I go along. All right, y'all, so as you massage it in, the little charcoal beads start to break, and then it turns a darker color. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to break all of the little beads. I don't know why this is like so satisfying for me right now, but it is. Ooh. So it's definitely dark now. It's like a dark blue gray color. That makes me feel like I'm doing it right, which is always good. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Do I look like a crazy person? That's okay, because we about to have some nice, smooth, some nice, smooth, toned skin. Alright, so I think I'm done applying. And now I'm going to just wait 10 to 15 minutes and then I will be back to rinse it. Alright y'all, 15 minutes is up and it really didn't change much. It's still the same color. My face feels a little tight, so I feel like that means that it's working. I don't know, but that's what I'm hoping it means. So now I'm about to rinse this off. Just gonna wipe off the rest with this wet cloth. Y'all, my skin looks so pretty and it feels really, really soft. Ooh. Okay, so I love it. I actually do feel like I did something. And it feels really, really nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna follow this up with my Hydra Visor moisturizer. Even though my skin feels like really moisturized, but just to be sure, I've actually already tried this. I've been using this for a while and I've used this along with her cleanser and her toner. So all of these products I have already reviewed on my channel and I gave a first impressions and I also gave like several updates. So if you want to watch that, then make sure you check out that video after this one. So I'm gonna just go in with my moisturizer. And this moisturizer is great because it is also a sunscreen. So you can do this before you go out in the sun and it will protect your skin. I love this stuff. It smells so good. It smells amazing. Like I said, the Cookies and Clean does not really have a fragrance. So if you want something that's fragrance free, then that product is perfect. And I believe that she also has these products in fragrance free now. So you can pick those up too. All right, so my skin is done. It's looking extra glowy. I love it. I love doing my skincare. I love all of Rihanna's products so far that I've tried. She just has not let me down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I will be back maybe in a few weeks or so to give you guys an update. I'm going to use this mask at least once or twice a week, just for a few weeks, to let you guys know like how I'm feeling about it after I've used it for a little while, and then I will come back and let you guys know. But so far, first impressions, love it. It's giving me everything that I need, and I'm definitely gonna just keep on using it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can join the clique. We're still on our way to 1,000 subbies, so I would love for you to join the family. I will see y'all next Friday in my next video. Bye.